Hi, and welcome to Youngblood's Capetown RV, just south of Cape Girardeau, Missouri, on I-55 at exit 91. We'd like to wish all of you a happy 4th of July and a safe 4th of July. We're featuring Salem by Forest River, on sale now with approved credit with 0 down. So hurry in before the offer ends. Again, this is our July 4th special running through the end of July. 0 down with approved credit and awesome pricing. Thanks for watching Youngblood's Capetown RV, just south of Cape Girardeau, Missouri on I-55 at exit 91. 573-334-7152, or on the web at capetownrv.com.